Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Hi, his name is Ivan Azriel Melo. You can call him Melo or simply yours. He's 18 years old, finished high school in the Tiboron National High School with high honors. Taking up Bachelor of Science in Mechatronics Engineering in Batangas State University. His hobbies are playing chess. He's a rated player, giving honor to his former school during his time. He likes spending time playing online games such as Mobile Legends and Genshin Impact. Recently, he achieved the rank of Eagle Scout of the Boy Scout of the Philippines. Life is nothing without stressful situations. He deals with stress by playing games which prove an enjoyable distraction. He also turned to praying and going to church for a sense of calm and perspective. Additionally, he engaged in solo activities like watching movies and taking short adventures, which allow him to reflect and recharge. He bonds with his friends to balance personal time with social support. Thank you for listening. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.